Bibi first time eat grape. Bibi can catch it. Wow, Bibi is so smart. Do you like it, Bibi? I hope you like it. Bibi, do you like grape? Do you like grape? Do you like grape? Bibi, do you want to eat more or do you want to eat corn? Corn?
Hello, baby.
Bibi?
Do you want to come outside? You go to outside.
Bibi?
Come on. Baby, come on. Come here.
Bibi, say hello to your daddy.
Hello, baby. Come on.
Oh, Bibi,
Yeah, here.
Bibi,
I'm
pay
here.
attention when his daddy call him.
Baby, come on.
No, baby.
I'm here.
Bibi, your daddy call you. Bibi. Bibi, hello. Say hello to your daddy. Bibi. Hello.
Hello, baby. Come on. Yeah. Okay, good job. Yeah.
Bibi.
You know what is this? It's my bird.
Bibi working. Bibi not
Here.
not busy.
Come here.
No. Bibi. Bibi. Bibi.